Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through phone call secret tricks you never knew existed. So I'm going to show you a trick. If you use this trick, no one will be able to call anyone with your phone number because it will be disabled. So for that, just go to your phone and dial. Just dial this. After dialing this, here you can see outgoing caller ID service was enabled. This means you cannot call anyone, but if you just dial this again, by dialing this it will be again disabled and you can just call anyone you want. But in the meantime, other person who will try to call you with your number won't be able to call someone because it will be disabled. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.